Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if your Windows 11 PC is lagging or running slow. There are several quick fixes you can try to improve performance. Here is a step-by-step guide. The first step is to check for Windows Update. Go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting update done, just close it off here. The second step is to disable startup programs. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. In here you need to disable unnecessary startup programs by right click on it and selecting them to disable. And after disabling unnecessary applications starting from startup, you just need to close off here. The third step is to free up disk space. To do this, go to search menu and type clean up disk. Comes up disk cleanup, click on open it. Select the C drive and select OK. You just need to check mark all these options listed over here and select clean up system files. Select OK. This will scan for unwanted files in C drive. After getting done, you just need to check mark all these options listed over here. After check marking all, you just need to select the OK option to delete these files, guys. Select delete files. This disk cleanup is help you to cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. After finishing this, let's move on to the fourth step, guys. The fourth step is to uninstall unnecessary programs. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. In here you need to uninstall any programs you no longer need just by right click on it and select uninstall. After doing this, just close it off here. The fifth step is to adjust power settings. To do this, go to search menu and type a power option. Comes up edit power plan, click on open it. Select power options. In here you need to select high performance, guys. If you have ultimate performance, then you just need to select ultimate performance. After that, just close it off here. The sixth step is to disable visual effects. To do this, go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Comes up sysdm.cpl, click on open it. Select the advanced tab. Under the performance, select settings. In here you need to select the best performance option. Adjust for best performance. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. The seventh step is to update drivers. To do this, open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for this download link. For AMD users, open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing this, just close it up here. The eighth step is to perform a system file check. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in and press enter. After getting done, just close stuff here. The ninth step is to check a disk for errors. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this check disk for errors command. Just copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter. You just need to press in keyboard Y, capital letter Y and press enter. This volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. The 10th step is to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Click on open it. Select the advanced tab under the performance, select settings. Select advanced tab and under the virtual memory, select change. In here, you need to uncheck this option, guys. Automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. And then select a custom size. And now you just need to check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Depending on how much RAM you have, you just need to copy the value and paste over here. After pasting it, select set, and after setting it, select OK. The changes you made requires you to restart your computer before they take effect. Click on OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. And now select the restart now option and restart your PC, guys. The 11th step is to perform a clean boot. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select the services tab and select hide all Microsoft services. In here you need to select disable all, and now you need to check mark the NVIDIA services, which are the services you want in startup. I recommend to enable the NVIDIA services, and after that select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC, guys. These steps should help resolve lagging and slow performance issues on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.